feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Coughing during pregnancy, although uncomfortable and tiring, is not generally dangerous to your baby. The baby is well cushioned inside the amniotic fluid, which acts as a shock absorber. However, if the coughing is severe or persistent, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider to ensure it's not indicative of a more serious underlying issue, and to find safe ways to alleviate the cough.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.